Hello guys. Welcome to my channel Remove All Virus, but first I want you to meet a guest today. Welcome Santa. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas my child. Thanks for coming. Say hi to all my viewers. Hello viewers. Merry Christmas to all of you. Be a good lad. Like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for coming Santa. Bye and take care. Now let's start this video. Today I will tell you how you can speed up your computer. Actually guys, you have always noticed that when you buy a new computer, it works fast but then after some time it becomes super slow. So today we will find out why this happens. So first thing is guys, most of the people use cracked Windows operating system. So when you use such OS it is already infected by viruses which makes your PC slow. After that regular updates make things even more worst. Many users can't block automatic updates in Windows 10 due to which this problem keep growing and make your PC slow. Apart from this other cracked software, torrent sites also bring virus to your PC. So if you want to speed up your computer then you must have to stop those habits. Now how you can make your computer faster. First you need to uninstall all Windows updates from your computer. Next you will have to install a powerful antivirus application on your system. And finally you will need to block all Windows updates. I will soon create a video for this. Once you have done this, your computer will start working faster. If you need extra speed then you can use an extra pen drive that you have as external RAM for your computer. If you want to know how to use a pen drive as RAM then I have already created a video on that. You can find a link of that video in the description. I hope this video helped you. Please like and share this video if you like it. And if you haven't already subscribed our channel then, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling till we meet again.